Alright, what's good, guys? I'm on the roof. Okay, so me and Brian, we have to work on these buildings, and sometimes they don't always have accesses, or the access is hidden. So we have to climb up on the side, using a specialized ladder. But once I got up here, I wanted to check to see if maybe we missed the access, or if it was hidden somewhere that I couldn't see. And as I'm walking over towards here, I'm gonna show you guys. This is pretty creepy. Check this out. As I'm walking over here, this looks like an access. So I'm like, okay, there's an access here, it's cool. I'm not thinking anything about it. But as I start getting closer, check this out. Dude, there is a machete right here, chilling over the top of where this access used to be. This access is screwed down. Pretty creepy to me. It's like the access is like, we couldn't find it at the bottom. Like there was no holes at the bottom to get to it. So we got this rusted out machete. It's like some Jason Michael Myers type stuff, dude. And then look at this. This is what really tips it off right here. Check this out. It's like this cloth. And dude, this thing looks like, I don't know if that's blood on there or if it's like a design on the cloth or something, but you could tell that cloth was on the handle, because look, the handle's chipped off. So whoever was using that thing, man, they probably meant business, dude. But yeah, I'm gonna step away from that and get back to my job, dude. But I just wanted to show you guys the type of things that we find on these roofs, man. It's Young HVAC, and I'm back with another video. Comment below some of the stuff that you guys find on roofs or in attics, or comment below some out of the ordinary things that you guys might have found on a job site or something, because I want to know. Comment below. So this condenser fan motor is all jacked up. Check this out. I'm gonna put a screwdriver in, try to spin it. Bad boy is not spinning. So much friction. And so much friction, and it's not scraping against anything. We're gonna have to change it out. Alright, so your boy about to swap this out real quick. I'm gonna hit you guys with a time lapse of me doing my thing. Let's go. clean right there, boy. That bad boy is spinning. It's clean right there, boy. Damn, young Brian, who did that, bruh? Let's get it. Brian's gonna put that door on there now so we can check the temperature, make sure it's rising up out here. Look at that. All right, check the heat. Temperature's going up a little bit. So I'm using this new app that just came out. It's the Filmic Pro Double Take app. Let me know if you guys enjoy the way these views are, being able to see me and see what's going on in the video. And I'll keep making videos like this with my boy Young Brian. Alright, there you guys have it. It's your boy Young HVAC, and I just changed out my first condenser fan motor for the channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it was, pretty simple, straightforward, but I changed out a motor. This is my first time doing a condenser fan motor, and I make sure I record it for the channel so you guys can check me out. And we also found that weapon over there, but don't tell anybody about it. It's your boy Young HVAC. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep making more videos. I've been getting a lot of love on this channel, and it just makes me want to go hard. It makes me want to drop videos every day, but I can't. Maybe one day I'll be able to do that, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy Young HVAC, and today has been a good day.